The female reproductive system. Learning points. State the key areas of the female reproductive system. Describe the role and function of each part. Explain how hormones affect the menstrual cycle. Role of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system has many roles. It produces eggs in the ovaries which are transported via the oviducts. A male sperm can fertilize the egg to produce an embryo, which can implant in the uterus wall and eventually develop into a baby. The female reproductive system regulates this process by various different hormones, which are produced in the ovaries and pituitary gland. Ovary. The female reproductive system has 2 ovaries. They contain undeveloped eggs, ova, which are present from birth. They also make hormones which regulate the menstrual cycle. One of the ovaries releases a mature egg as part of the menstrual cycle. Oviduct. The oviducts are 2 tubes which connect the ovaries to the uterus. Oviducts are also known as fallopian tubes. They are lined with hair-like cells called cilia to help move the egg from the ovary to the uterus. Uterus. The uterus is muscular with a soft lining. A fertilized egg can implant in the uterus wall and develop from an embryo to a baby over the course of a pregnancy. The lining of the uterus wall comes away as a period if an egg is not fertilized by a sperm. Cervix. The cervix is a ring of muscle which keeps the baby in the uterus during pregnancy. The cervix dilates to open during labor. Vagina. The vagina is a muscular tube which connects the cervix to outside the body. It is where the penis enters during sexual intercourse and where the baby exits the body during childbirth. The vagina is also where the menstrual blood, period, leaves the body. The menstrual cycle and hormones. Day 1 to 5. Menstruation occurs if the egg is not fertilized by a sperm. Blood is lost. Day 5 to 14. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, causes the egg to mature in the ovary. Day 14. LH, luteinizing hormone, stimulates the release of an egg. Day 14 to 28. Progesterone, maintains the lining of the uterus, ready for a fertilized egg. Estrogen. Estrogen is a female sex hormone made in the ovaries. It is responsible for puberty in girls and regulating the menstrual cycle. It stops FSH being produced to prevent more than one egg being released each cycle. It repairs and thickens the uterus lining and stimulates the pituitary gland to release LH. Pituitary gland. The ovaries. This pituitary gland is where FSH and LH are produced. The ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone. The placenta. If a woman becomes pregnant, the placenta produces progesterone to maintain the lining of the uterus and to stop menstruation. Thank you, children, for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every lesson brings you one step closer to success. See you in the next video.